All right, guys, so we found the house, or houses, where Selena lived, her family, and her brother. They're all behind one chain link fence here on the corner of Archdale and Bloomington. All right, so this is Selena's house?
Yes, this one. That's Selena and Chris's house here.
This one here. Okay.
Yeah, 7 and then,
of course, there's no trespassing because, you know, there's a lot of people.
I can imagine they're ring ding.
I could imagine, but this is all the same fencing that has been around since the family was here. So they didn't take the fence down.
Which I don't. And then this was the brothers.
This is the brother's house.
AB.
AB's house. Okay.
Who, yeah, lived next to Selena.
Okay.
They were very close.
So what band was AB in?
Well, he formed it after Selena.
He formed the Cumbia Kings. And they were big for a while too. They played at the Houston Rodeo.
And then this house.
This is where she grew up, or is this the mom and dad's house?
No, this is not where she grew up. Actually, she was in Lake Jackson.
She was where?
They were raised a lot in Lake Jackson.
Lake Jackson?
Before they moved to Corpus, yeah.
Already.
And then this house is.
This was the parents' house. Did she build these houses, or?
No, I don't think so.
Or is this something they all wanted the same block?
Yeah. Well, they were very close.
Okay. I just found out something very interesting. We're from Houston. My wife just told me that Selena and company grew up in Lake Jackson. That's not far. Now I gotta ask my wife, how come we haven't been down there yet? So we can see where she grew up at and where her talent was harnessed. But anyway,
Well,
let's see here.
which I understand.
Let's go look around the side. So, babe, let's go look around this way, see what the house was like. Well, some beautiful trees back here. Beautiful trees. All right, so we're gonna go find some more interesting spots to highlight on our Selena tour. You can just imagine her little red Porsche parked in that driveway. Her and Chris, I mean, they were normal people.
They really were.
They'd take out the trash, read the paper.
Well, even in the movie, it shows her cutting the grass, and he picks up something to eat or something like that.
She was such a regular person, guys. Such a, I mean, just look at the house. She's a regular lady. She had no idea who she was. It's so crazy. No idea.